chicken green chili pilaf or lemon chicken green chili pilaf or Andhra Chicken Biryani. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the biryani recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the chicken recipes and one of the most different of the pilaf recipes and one of the most nutritious of the lemon recipes. Today we're going to make chicken green chili pilaf or chicken green pilaf or chicken Andhra Biryani. We've taken half a kilo of chicken which we have cleaned and cut into pieces. Around 25 milligrams of mint leaves, 25 grams of cilantro leaves, half of a lemon, around 20 to 25 grams of green chili paste, 25 grams of ginger garlic paste, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 cardamom pods, few cloves, around 200 grams of onion puree, 150 ml of yogurt, 200 ml of freshly pressed coconut milk. Now put in the chicken pieces into a bowl. Now put in the ginger garlic paste, put in a spoon of pepper powder, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon, take off the seeds, put in salt to taste, mix all the ingredients together with the chicken pieces, thoroughly mix and marinate. Pour in the yogurt, thoroughly mix in the chicken, the yogurt, and let the chicken marinate in the yogurt for 2 hours. Heat the pan and pour in 15 to 20 ml of oil. You can use clarified butter. Put in the cinnamon sticks in the cloves and the cardamom which you have crushed into the oil. We've used oil here. You can use clarified butter or ghee. Salt. Put in the puree, onion puree. Salt, puree, keep on sorting. Release salt. Now put in the ginger garlic paste and the green chili paste. Mix and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Thoroughly saute. Put in a spoon of pepper powder. Put in a spoon of coriander powder. Put in half a spoon of mixture spices. Put in a spoon of chili powder. Mix, salt and mix. Thoroughly salt. Salt and mix the ingredients together. Put in the mint leaves and the cilantro leaves. Salt and mix. Salt and mix thoroughly. Keep on salting. salt to taste, thoroughly mix. Put in the marinated chicken in the yogurt. Mix thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Close and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Now put in the tomato pieces. Salt and mix. Close and cook for another 5 minutes. Pour in the yogurt. Mix thoroughly. Close. Open. Pour in the coconut milk. Mix thoroughly. Close and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Cup of water. Put in cup of rice. Mix and close and cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Open. Put in 2 to 3 fried green chilies on top. Mix. Fry lightly and mix. Now the chicken green chili pilaf or Andhra Chicken Biryani is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final chicken green chili pilaf or Andhra Chicken Biryani or lemon chicken green chili pilaf, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the pilaf recipes and one of the most unique of the chicken recipes and one of the most different of the lemon recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the chili recipes and one of the most different of the biryani recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.